Happy Friday, Los Alamitos. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, October 25th, 2024.
We started the week supporting the city of Los Alamitos with the inaugural Pals of Los Al event. It was a wonderful day where students of all abilities came together to enjoy fun sports activities, building friendships, and creating memories. We'd like to give a special shout out to our Los Alamitos High School soccer and softball players, as well as our amazing ASB students for coming out to play, support, and make this event so special. Speaking of special events, this week marked a milestone at Los Alamitos High School as we celebrated the topping off ceremony for our new 3-court gymnasium. Throughout the day, board members, LAHS, and district staff, along with coaches, were invited to leave their mark and sign the final beam before it was raised into place. We can't wait to welcome future generations of Griffin students and athletes into our new gym. It's the start of Red Ribbon Week here in Los Al USD, and students and staff from across our many campuses participated in various ways. Highlights from Red Ribbon Week included special spirit days enforcing messages like proud to be drug-free, team up against drugs, and signing pledges to be drug-free. Our Weaver Whales kicked off Red Ribbon Week by hosting their annual First Responders Flag Ceremony on Friday. Students, staff, and families gathered to honor the incredible frontline heroes who protect and serve our community daily. From police officers and firefighters to paramedics and doctors and more, these amazing individuals inspired our students to stay drug-free and live healthy, safe lives. Moving on to other news, our Hopkinton Huskies packed the boardroom with students, staff, and community members this week. Highlights included a beautiful performance dedicated to our nation's veterans and those who have served by the Hopkinton Choir, followed by a wonderful presentation by Principal Jason Farber and 2 5th grade representatives all about Husky life. Their presentation concluded with honoring this year's Hopkinton Elementary Hero of the Heart, Evan King. The board also recognized the 19 student docents who have been giving tours to over 2,000 students during the past week and a half of the Anne Frank exhibit at Los Alamitos High School. We also recognized LAHS senior Sydney Forsythe for her leadership in bringing this project to our school and community. Moving on to the arts, Los Alamitos High School Orchestra this week hosted a Spooktacular performance featuring the string chamber orchestras playing selections from Edward Scissorhands, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Les Miserables, and more. And finally, this week, the Los Al Song and Cheerleaders hosted their annual cheer clinic, bringing the community together in support of St. Jude's mission to fight childhood cancer. Nearly 200 elementary and middle school students joined our Griffin cheer and song leaders for a 3-day clinic, which concluded on Thursday night with a spirited performance at the annual football game. But the support for St. Jude didn't stop there. Following the cheer performance, our LAHS band and color guard were joined by members of the advanced bands at Oak and McAuliffe Middle Schools for a wonderful halftime performance. It was so wonderful to see our community come together dressed in bright yellow to show their commitment to this worthy cause, raising funds and awareness. We're incredibly grateful for your generous support and donations. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.